Alright guys, I'm going to explain to you what is a variable in Python coding. So basically, imagine this, imagine a box and you have different boxes, but that specific box, you will name it color. So that variable is called color, but remember, in a box, you can store things inside. Let's say you want to put inside yellow, green, blue. So whenever you need these colors, you will take them out. So basically, a variable has something special inside of it. This is the easiest way to understand what is a variable. Now, if you have an easier way to explain what is a variable, let me know down in the comments. Now we will be looking at four different kinds of variables. The first variable is a string variable. And now a string variable is like a sentence. It's you want to output words. So we're going to do the first example and we're going to use an F string. What is an F string? Imagine F string like a magic wand. It will automatically output what you want. So for example, we will use F string open quotes, and remember for string variables, always use quotes to print out. It's like, right, when you write sentences like he said, you open quotes and then that's what something is being said in words. So always remember to use open quotes, and I like to use double quotes. As you see, we printed out your username is ice cream. Now, let's look at an integer variable. An integer are the sets of negative and positive numbers, including, well, 0. In this case, the year, we'll use an example using year equal 2026, and we're going to print it now. Let's use the F string, open quotes, and look carefully for the username equal open quotes ice cream, because that's the word I want to output. It's a word, it's a sentence I want to output, something in letters. But for integer, the integer year equal 2026. If you put quotes, you're gonna mess this up because you want to output a number. So for example, welcome to 2026. That easy. Now let's look at float. A float has consists of decimal points. So it's like a number with decimal points after a decimal. So we have an example, pi equal 3.14. Let's use the F string, open quotes, the value. Let's type the value of pi. Let's open the curly brackets. Why? Don't ask why. It is what it is because it's a language. It's like whenever you start learning a language, don't ask why. It is what it is. This is the best advice I can give you when you start learning different languages in coding, because code is a language. Now, the last variable, which is one of the four main variables, is the boolean, and boolean consists of true and false. In this example I'm going to use is admin equal false, and booleans are mostly used, and actually they are used with if or else statements. As a beginner, let's just not get confused and just use if else. So I want to input false, I want to output false. So if is admin print, and then we want to print something. If something is false, welcome admin. Actually, let me change that to error. Let me change it to error because I want to output something that is false, and we're going to print if admin is false. We're going to print error 404, and I'm going to put that in quotes because I want to input that error 404. Else, if it's false, let's output something else, true, print welcome admin. And if I run this, you see I get it right. Your username is ice cream. Welcome to 2026. The value of pi is 3.14. Welcome admin. Thanks for watching and let me know if this helps you.